It's time for our tech segment, and joining us now is our technology reporter, Paul Ndiho. Hello, Paul.
Hello, Esther. African mobile app developers are scrambling to release more and more apps, many of which are aimed at solving their local problems. Young software developers in Zambia are creating applications to address challenges in banking, farming, healthcare, and education. For more insight, I spoke to Bright Kunda Molumba, a self-taught app developer and founder of New Age Developers based in Lusaka, Zambia. Welcome to Africa 54.
It's my pleasure, thank you.
You've been helping young people in primary schools, in secondary schools, to learn about computers, about robotics, about programming. How did you get started?
We started in 2018. We first started as My Career, My Talent, an organization which was focused on fostering and enhancing children's talents and young people, ensuring that they use their talents to be what they want to be. And then we differentiated careers and talents and how they should be able to choose careers that are linked to their talents. Then we due to our financial muscle and other things as we were running, we found out that we couldn't manage to run the actual My Career, My Talent. So we ventured into programming because we are developers. So that's how we started teaching only one department of my career, my talent, which is New Age Developers.
You strike me as somebody who is trying to empower a lot of young people. How many primary schools have you gone to? How many secondary schools have you gone to teach these kids how to be proficient in computer skills?
We've covered about 20 secondary schools and 15 primary schools. Plus, we've an addition of 8 community schools.
Where do you get money to do these programs? When you go to these schools, for example, primary schools, what are you teaching them? What are they eager to learn?
People are mostly eager to learn about software engineering because I think it's just a trend in here in Zambia of software engineering, most especially web development and mobile application development. So most of our participants are more eager to learn web design and development plus mobile development.
When you talk to some of these students, the pupils that you teach, what are they fascinated about?
When they begin, you find that they don't know anything, but the moment that they print they print the word "hello world" on the screen, they are so excited of it. When they change the screen color to any color that they want, they are so excited. And I myself have been proud of at least three participants this year. They have come to us and they've shown us what they want to build as well, to contribute to the intellectual world of software engineering here in Zambia by producing 3 major systems that I think they are mostly needed in our country today.
Where did you get even the money to start these programs where you are using your own money to teach young kids these skills? Because it takes a lot of money, even buying computers, buying the software that you use to teach these kids. Where are you getting the money from?
We work as software developers. We have worked, and then that's where we usually divide our salaries in 50%. That then the 50 goes to the organization, and the 50 we use it to help ourselves with our living.
You're giving too much for a young person like you, using your resources to do what you're doing. How did this all come about?
My major motivation, I personally, is myself and my background. If it wasn't for well wishers like the Masiku family from the United States, I wouldn't be here today, and I wouldn't be the person that I am today. So that's why the vision is ensuring that everyone has got a basic understanding of programming, information communication technology, despite the race, class, and standards of living that they live. So that's my major motivation and my team's major motivation, plus our lives ourselves. We have gone through a lot, so we want to empower others so that they don't go through what we have gone through ourselves.
How did you learn software development yourself?
On a self-taught basis.
It's very nice. Thank you so much for your time.
And thank you, Paul, for that report. Good night, everyone.